Gusto niyo ba ano to na lipstick? Anong gagawin? Ito, first stage of the medical. Ay, tama. Kada putol. Kada should this one is not right to me. Wait lang mga guys. Meron pa akong ako matulog. Bago matulog mo lipstick.
I just want to look at some more wood. We have 81 now, meaning I can buy some more long walls. And I came up with a new idea. I'm going to get this center completely hollow like this. And then I have entrance on every side. That's going to funnel them into these tracks.
Guys.
Obviously, it might not be perfect.
Meron akong story sa inyo guys. One story lang ha, but dapat magpipili kayo kung anong i-story. Anong i-story pag part 2 na guys at part 3 at ito kasi ito. First, anong gusto niya na story? The fish guy or the creepy girl? The Winnie the Pooh at the Silly Queen. Okay, pumunta pa tayo anong gusto niyo? The creepy girl tayo. Sige. At pag part 2 kayo magpipili. Anong gusto niyo? The creepy girl. One night in my room, I was asleep, but I heard something in the toilet, and I see the toilet, and I see the creepy face of the girl with blood, and I'm so very, very scared, and I'm run, and I back to my room because the creepy girl is invisible. She transformed a cat, and her dress is color white, and the cat is color black. And her face is so very creepy, and her eyes is red. And because I'm so scared, I'm run. I got my cell phone, and I'm called a police. And the police said I say the girl, and he transformed a cat, and I'm wrong, and said again the police, okay, stay calm and wait for the police, okay, stay that, and I said okay with scared feelings. The police is calm and the girl is safe, but the creepy girl is gone, and the house of girl she sell it for 100,000, and the girl is survived in 2 years, and she's gone after 2 years. Yan yung story natin guys. So, anong story? Meron daw creepy girl or basta creepy girl or white lady talaga yan kasi with blood at white yung color, diba? At yung eyes niya is red. Impossible daw ba? Bakit daw nahihimo siya ng cat na black? Or basta, part 2 is pipiliin nyo kung ano nang